going on, guys? In the shop today we have a S550 with a Roush blower on it. It's getting a few little upgrades. I'll go ahead and show you those. First upgrade that I'll go ahead and show is the McCleod twin disc RXT. Obviously it's an MT82 car. He's turning up the power pretty good, and I'll show you that as well in just one moment. So we're gonna go ahead, put this twin disc clutch in it so it'll hold the power. I know a lot of people might kind of say the RXT is too much for an MT82, but at the same time I'd rather hold the power and not slip, especially for the power level that he will eventually be at. Next, I already got it on, but got the Griptec 69mm pulley to bump the boost up pretty good. That'll just hold it for now until he gets around to getting either the 8 or the 10 rib set up. He also went ahead and got the auxiliary idler, it's a 90mm I believe, from VMP, and the Scott Hasty bracket to help keep this wrap all around the belt, and it does a pretty damn good job. I couldn't put it, I'm not sure if you can really see, there's two different settings for it. I had to put it at the lower one because with the auxiliary idler, if I were to move it up, the idler itself will be all over the blower pulley. So I had to put it at the lower one, but it still has good wrap, as you can see, and it's the Griptec pulley on top of that, so it has their little, I don't know, laser etching or whatever special process they do to prevent belt slip. It's already an E85 car. I did a fuel system on it a while back. And then I'm also gonna go ahead and put this IET, this IET relocation setup, so that way, in case you don't know, this goes in line of the mass air pigtail and connector, and then this is obviously an IET sensor, and it mounts over into the lower intake setup for the blower, the lower plenum. So that way, instead of seeing air intake temperatures from the cold air, instead you will actually see air intake temperatures from the blower itself, or shall I say past the blower itself, of what's actually going into the motor instead of what's going into the blower. Alright guys, sorry for the crappy view, but I'll just hold it. Yeah, sorry for the crappy view. I forgot to grab my phone holder out of my other car, so driving the S550 that I just put the McCleod clutch in, took it down to the store, got a little energy drink, tried to wake up this morning. I don't really know what to say really too much about the clutch. I've been a big fan of McCleod clutches already. I've driven with spec clutches. I've only tried one Mantic, and the Mantic wasn't too bad actually. Spec, honestly, I cannot stand it. The feel is just very odd. It's real chattery. I've tried XD, and what else have I tried? Center Force, and to me the feel of a Mantic of a McCleod clutch is just the best. Personal opinion, of course, but right now, you know, I'm driving perfectly normal, exactly how I drive all the time. They have like it's kind of weird. You get a little bit of a jerk if you're not like super smooth with it. Not because the clutch is difficult to drive, because it's pretty much like driving a factory clutch. But I guess just the way the dual clutch picks it up, the first one grabs and then the second one grabs, or something of that nature.
it'll give an odd little jerk. I mean, you can finesse it if you really want to. Had a little issue with that Hasty Bracket. I don't know if anyone else has had issues. I tried to look up reviews and I couldn't really find much. Hold on, let me grab my keys. For some reason, and I'll probably get with them myself, because another car that I've been a part of, messing with the Hasty Bracket, we were having belt issues. So I had put the Hasty Bracket on. I started it up last night, and pretty much as soon as I fired it up, the belt wanted to come right off, and I honestly don't know why. I messed with it a little bit, and that was with the 90mm pulley on it, and then I went ahead and I put the stock. Hold on. I went ahead and put the stock auxiliary idler on it. Sorry, I went ahead and put the stock idler on it, and same thing, it popped right off. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna kind of make it back to how it was, basically like stock. And I went ahead and did that, and I didn't have any issues. I wanted to just pretty much rule out any chances of it being an issue with the upper pulley. So I'll go ahead and show you that. Sorry, it's a little dark, but of course I left the Hasty Bracket on there for testing purposes, but I tried it with the 90mm auxiliary idler on this lower port, because of course on the upper part it would hit the pulley, and immediately as soon as I started it, the belt just started wrapping up here. Went ahead and put the smaller pulley in this top port, same thing, started it up, popped right off. So I was like, okay, well, maybe for some odd reason it's the supercharger pulley being on like too far, because look, I think, pretty sure they make spacers for the pulley. So I said, you know, I'm gonna put it back to how it would be, kind of like a stock setup. So I put, of course, the stock idler back in its place, basically stopped using the Hasty Bracket, put this on. As you can see, wasn't having any issues driving it. So honestly, I don't know why that bracket would cause any issues. I've read great reviews on it, but for some reason it's causing the belt to pop off. For now, that's it. The McCleod clutch is in. The 69mm Griptec pulley is on. I had already installed the, as you can see, the IAT sensor right there. Just need to get the revision for it, and that's pretty much it. So until the next project, I'll see y'all later.